Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase cryptocurrencies from Binance. It's very, very easy to do. There is lots of different cryptocurrencies you can buy on here. The most popular now being like Dogecoin, Cardano, VeChain. There's lots of different coins you can buy on here. So I'm going to show you guys basically what you guys need to do. Now, first things first, you have to have an account, obviously. So if you don't have an account already, just click on register now, and then just fill in the information that you need to register. It is actually really easy to do, just takes a couple minutes. If you guys need me to make a video showing you guys how to register, just let me know. I'll be happy to make one for you guys. Anyhow, once you have your account, you just want to log into it. Once you're logged in, you should be good to start. Now, the first thing you guys need to do is put money into your account. That is very easy as well. You do have a couple different options that you guys can do. And now, if you just navigate over to Buy Crypto, you'll see up here it says Pay With. This will be the currency that you have in your native country. Mine would be Canadian, but it could be US dollar, British pound, euros, doesn't really matter. But then you have to choose the option that you want to transfer in with. So there is credit and debit card, which is what I use because it's instantaneous. There's also bank transfer as well, but I know depending on what bank you guys have, it might take a little bit of time and that might affect what you're trying to do. But anyways, I would recommend using credit and debit if you guys have that option in your country. So what you guys need to do is just click on the credit or debit option or whatever option that you guys want to transfer in with. And then what I would recommend doing is when you transfer into Binance, I would transfer it into USDT. Which is just going to be the tether option. It's just because it is more stable. It is less likely to receive a correction or anything like that when you're in the midst of buying coins, where Bitcoin can be quite volatile sometimes. So I really recommend using USDT. So you just want to type in USDT here and then click on that. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on the amount of money that you want to put in. So let's just say if I wanted to put in $1,000, I can go in and type $1,000 and then it would convert it into USDT. So that would convert to 791.82 USDT. Now, all you got to do is click on Buy USDT here at the bottom. Once you guys do that, it will put that into your wallet so you're able to trade with it on the platform. So once you guys do that, you can navigate over to Trade right here, and you want to click on Convert. Now, to purchase Ripple or XRP, it's very, very simple. We're just going to convert it over from USDT over to XRP. Now, this page right here is going to show you your available USDT balance right at the top right here. And you just have to decide whether you want to spend a certain allotment of USDT or you want to buy a certain allotment of XRP. And you just got to type in the corresponding number right here. So first things first, we're just going to change this quickly to XRP. Just like this, click XRP. And then we're going to decide whether we want to spend a flat amount, like $1,000 USDT, or we want to buy, let's just say, 2,500 XRP. So it doesn't really matter how you guys do it. You could type it in either spot here, depending on which way you want to do it. But when you decide what you want to do, you could just go ahead and click on Preview Conversion. And then it will tell you the exchange rate. So right here we see for 2,500 XRP, it's going to cost us 26.23 USDT. And it will work the same way if you went the other way around as well. And it shows you the exchange here as well. So it's very, very simple. All you guys have to do is just click on confirm at the bottom here. It's just going to say insufficient balance for me because I don't have funds in this account, but it does work very, very easily. And then once you purchase the XRP, to go find it, you just have to go to wallet and then overview, and then it will show you your allotment of XRP that you have in your Binance account. Now, if you guys need help transferring it out of Binance, just let me know. I'll be happy to make another video showing you guys how to transfer your XRP out of Binance into a secure wallet. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to purchase XRP on Binance. This video did help you out. Be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.